In this video, I will show you how to download and install AIMP software in Windows 11. If you want to download and install AIMP without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then in search bar, search AIMP. After searching AIMP, then press enter. When you search AIMP in search bar, here you can see AIMP. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach AIMP official website. Here you can see download button for Windows, for Android. Here we will click Windows button. When you will click Windows button, here you can see 64-bit, 32-bit. Here I am choosing 64-bit because my computer support 64-bit or laptop support. Simply click 64-bit download this button. When you click this link, again you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, again you have to click save, and our file is downloading until we have to wait. Then we will install it after downloading, and you can see we have downloaded it. Now it's time to install it. For installing, open Windows Explorer and go download folder. After going download folder, where file is our present, right click on it for installing, then click open. After clicking open, you have to click more info. If this interface is coming in your laptop, click more info, then click run anyway. Then you have to choose yes. After choosing yes, here you have to choose language. Here I am choosing English language. You can choose any language. And then click OK. Then click next. And here tick this option. Then click next. And here portable version, normal version. Click normal version and then click install. And after clicking this, again click next and then install. And our AIMP is installing. After this, we will open it. And here you can see we have downloaded AIMP. When you click finish, our AIMP software will be open. Now we can use it. I hope this video help you how to download and install AIMP in Windows 11. If you have any question, ask in comment box.